Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a ghost effect from Roblox avatar on CapCut. So first of all, you want to make sure to get your clip ready. So you want to change the aspect ratio and crop your video. So I'm just going to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, and also I'm going to just transform this clip and resize it and make it 9:16, and let's leave it something like so. And now we're gonna make it bigger, just like so. Now, once we've done that, you want to split this clip into where this avatar pulls an arrow. So, like so, somewhere here. You want to split the clip, and now you want to choose the second clip and make the speed to 0.1. So basically just want to make it very slow, and also we want to choose smooth and better quality, and just like so it will now apply this here. And now you want to export this video. Now you want to just go back here where you have edited everything, and you want to press on overlay and add overlay and add that exported clip, and just adjust the size of it. So you want to just drag it right there, and or maybe we will need to put it in the front. So we need to put it in the front, just like so. So it would start at the same time. And also you want to, of course, adjust the side like so. Now, once we've done that, you want to make the overlay shorter than the main clip. So we want to add the frame at the start, and so we're gonna split this clip here and delete this first half. And now we're gonna add, let's just try to make it start at the same time. We're gonna add keyframe at the start, and we will also add the second keyframe a little bit further, somewhere here. And now, what you want to do while you are on the second keyframe, you want to zoom in, just like so. And once we've done that, now you want to go ahead and click on animations, and you want to go to out and fade out, and you want to make it through the whole video, just like so. Now you want to go ahead and click on splice or blend and change this normal intensity to 70, just like so. Now once you've done that, as you can see, this is how it looks like. You want to apply to this overlay a filter. So you're just gonna scroll down until you see filters right there, and you want to find a filter called Dolce. So it should be somewhere around the portrait, and just try to find it. Here it is. Now let's make it to the 100% and apply it to this clip. Now you want to press on the main clip, and you want to again add a filter, which is called robust. So this one, and make it to the 100%. And also to make it look cooler, you want to go ahead and add effect like edge glow. So for example, let's go to animations, or maybe to the filters. We're gonna find them here. So this would be like a video effect, so edge glow. I'm just gonna write that down, and here it is. Now you're just gonna choose, for example, maybe this one, and you can adjust the glow. And also what we want to go ahead and do is add another like a vibration flash shake. So we can add this shake a little bit, but maybe make not make it not so intense. Something like so. And also you can add some other effects as much as you like. And it looks something like so. Now, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.